My son keeps complaining about strange noises in the middle of the night, and I've checked everywhere for intruders. Squeaky doors, you name it. And I literally found nothing. I figured it was just kids being kids. Still, I couldn't shake the feeling that something was off, so I searched for a solution. Could the noises be coming from out here? That's when I turned to the Arlo wired floodlight camera. I love that it's hardwired for continuous power so that your security is uninterrupted. And it seamlessly works with the Arlo Secure app, which features AI and computer vision capabilities for real-time personalized notifications for immediate action. Okay, so I got this installed over the driveway. Let's see it in action. Cannot believe how bright this is. Okay, time to sneak away and find out what's happening. The very next day, I curiously pulled up the recordings through the Arlo Secure app, and you won't believe what we discovered. It wasn't an intruder, it was my wife sneaking out for late night snacks. We even caught her red-handed grabbing multiple shopping bags from the trunk. Deer in the headlights. The footage is crystal clear with a wide field of view. The Arlo wired floodlight is available now at homedepot.com.